New tonight, we're hearing the 911 calls that people made September 27th as Hurricane Helene ripped through the region. News
Channel 11's Jeff Keeling highlights some of those calls for help as dispatchers work to keep callers calm in life-threatening moments.
Mountain Electric's out. They're doing all they can do. I mean, it is absolutely all over this county.
That was a Carter County dispatcher at 12:11 p.m. September 27th. The agency would take 82 calls over the next 44 minutes as floodwaters rapidly rose around the county.
It came way up really quick, and that's what's scaring me because it's coming so quick.
The Doe and Little Doe rivers were ravaging Hampton and Valley Forge as operators tried to keep people calm, like a woman trapped with her baby in a car on Jenkins Hollow Road in Valley Forge.
We've got several people that are coming, okay? I know you're scared. We've got people on the way, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
A bit upstream in Hampton, many calls were coming in from Spring Street.
We're needing to get out. It's up to our waist. The water is so bad, I'm telling you, I don't know if they can get to us.
We're going up in the attic.
How high is the water, like below the attic stairs?
Below the attic stairs, about 8 feet.
Calls also came in from Pogey, where the Elk River was raging through populated areas.
Both bridges, Atlee Brown Bridge, it's totally gone.
Okay.
2 houses have already went down the river. There's 2 houses gone.
Dispatchers remained a source of calm as the chaos built.
Stay home, and if you need any assistance, call 911. But we've got the National Guard coming to the area. Just stay calm.
But they were frank about the challenge to resources.
We have about 20 calls pending for rescue right now. I'm just going to let you know that. We're not doing anything with trees. They're not coming out on that or electric lines either due to the storm. It's survival only at this point.
Sometimes the advice probably wasn't that reassuring.
She needs to get on top of something, like on the bed or something like that, like if it starts coming up any higher, okay?
The young mother in Jenkins Hollow called just before 1, 35 minutes after dispatchers said help was on the way. All the voice on the line could offer was calm.
Okay, honey. I'm going to have somebody come to you if they can, okay? Just stay where you are. Please don't move.
I'm not going to. Thank you.
When the dust settled, or the mud in this case, not a single Carter Countyan perished in the disaster. Jeff Keeling, News Channel 11.
Definitely a